In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your orders on TikTok Shop. This process is quite straightforward,
And whether you're a seasoned seller or just getting started, following these steps will help you manage your orders with ease. So let's jump right in and get started. First off, you'll need to head over to your TikTok Shop Seller Center. This is the hub for managing all your shop activities. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of the Seller Center. Take a moment to get acquainted with the layout if you haven't already. It's designed to simplify the management of your shop operations. Now, on the left side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu. Find and click on Orders. This section is crucial as it holds all the information related to your shop's transactions. Clicking on Orders will open up a set of options. Manage orders, manage cancellations, manage returns, shipping settings, and fulfillment settings. Each of these options gives you control over different aspects of your order management process. Next, go ahead and select Manage Orders. This is where the magic happens. In this section, you can view the complete history and details of your shop's orders. The page categorizes your orders into different sections such as all, to ship, shipped, completed, pending, canceled, and failed delivery. These categories help you to quickly access and manage orders based on their status. It's a great way to keep track of what needs your attention and what has already been taken care of. Another handy feature of the Manage Orders page is the filter and sorting options. You can filter or sort orders based on various criteria, which allows you to organize the data in the most helpful way for you. At the very top of this page, there's a search bar where you can type in details to quickly find a specific order. This can be particularly useful if you're dealing with a high volume of orders and need instant access to certain order details. And there you have it. Checking your orders on TikTok Shop is that simple and straightforward. With these tools at your disposal, you can handle your orders efficiently without feeling overwhelmed. Whether you need to review what's pending, ensure items are shipped, or even manage returns, TikTok Shop provides a comprehensive setup for you to stay on top of everything. Hopefully you found this guide easy to follow and it's clear how you can keep tabs on your TikTok Shop orders. Remember, staying organized is key to running a successful shop. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in our next video for more tips and tutorials.